Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators, and this is a market update for Thursday, October 21, 2021. Right now we are still in the middle of earnings season and a lot of good results come out, so that continue to ride the market higher. On the economy report, we can see that the industrial production for September, they dropped sharply because the interest rate and the crude oil price it continue to move higher, and the inflation is still on the rise. So you also see the Bitcoin it also hit a new high, and that you can see the S&P 500, the Nasdaq, the Dow Jones, and Russell 2000 are trending higher. So look like the market is still in confirmed uptrend. Now let's take a look on the major indices so that we can see how they look like. So I can get you into the detail. First of all, let's take a look on the ES. As you can see here, last year on the October, they hit up to the top and then they fell sharply to the bottom before they can continue to move higher. This year, right now, the market has come back and tested sell down, but they are not coming down. So the momentum is still hang tight there. So let's see if they're able to break out in the next couple of days or next week to continue to move higher, or they will do another circuit like last year here. So overall, we are still enjoy the earnings season to move up until the November 3rd when the FOMC meeting. They will talk about the inflation, interest rate, and the budget for the remaining month of the year 2021. So let's see how the market reacts to that news. But right now, the momentum is still uptrend, so we still stick with the uptrend. If you look at the Nasdaq, it also try to get back to the top here. Momentum is still bullish, so let's see if they will continue to move here and test this area up here. The Dow is also pretty strong. They make an all-time high, new all-time high here, and continue to hold up pretty well to the upside. Okay, last year they fell here, but this year they stay above the previous high, and momentum is still there. So it's still very strong. The Russell 2000 is also gain some momentum. They try to clear the sales on here. If they can clear that area here, they will continue to put it up to the upside, and that will help a lot of small and mid cap stock be able to move also. If you look at the crude oil is still in the uptrend. Okay, they pull back for support. They still hang tight to the uptrend there. Gold is still bouncing back and forward here. So they are still hold tight to the upside, so they are not give up. So if they can clear that area here, they will get up there. Okay, but right now it's still choppy, but the trend remain here. It's still try to push it back up. Let's see how far they can go here. If you look at the Bitcoin, as you can see here, Bitcoin they make it another high here. They pull back, but they still strong. So they break out that area, they pull back, still hold the support there. So let's see if they can keep momentum and continue to the upside. The Ethereum it also try to test the high here on May. Okay, so they pull back a little bit, but the momentum is still up there. Let's see if they can carry and continue to put it up to the upside. Okay, everything is still look bullish at this moment. If you look at the 11 sector of the S&P 500, they are still doing very well. The strongest one is the industrial. I told you on last week, it continued to put it up to the upside, and a lot of stock that I show you since last week on the Sunday YouTube video, those stock like UPS, it continued to rumble to the upside there. CSX, okay, still moving fast. Okay, a little bit standard here, but they have a good time the whole week here. And let's see, that's another one. With the route transportation, they're doing very well. This one here, it's still in the uptrend. They have some resistance here, so sometimes they move too fast. You need to wait for them to pull back. ODFL, that's another ODFL, this one here, it's still pretty strong here. Okay, that's a free line. So anything related to the transportation, route transportation, they're doing extremely well there. Okay. The next sector, financial sector, is still doing good. You can see that this week a lot of stock they are now earning it very well. So JP Morgan Chase doing well, SBNY. So those stocks in my list, as you can see here, continue to rumble to the upside. Bank of America, they're also doing well, and investment bankers, CSW, like Charles Schwab, they are still rumble to the upside. The XLK, which is the technology, they still try to catch it up. So mainly they driving by the FANG man stock, Apple, Google, Amazon, those stock, Netflix, they keep it, push it up. So that helped the SLK move up, and you can see that in this sector, the software is still doing very strong here. Okay, and leading by like Microsoft, but you can see here, continue to put it up to the upside. Apple, that's another one. Okay, so those stocks still continue to push it up. They will have the technology moving up, and especially a semiconductor, they are doing extremely well also. That you can see that semiconductor is they try to put it back up to the upside, momentum beginning. So a lot of stock in this sector like NVDA, okay, that you can see there, they're doing very well. And a couple of stocks that we highlight for you before, they're also doing extremely well. Okay, AMD, another one, pretty strong. Texas Instrument is still doing very strong there. Okay, so a couple of stocks here in semiconductor that we mentioned a while ago, it continues to rumble to the upside. The energy sector is still a little bit overbought, but they are still hang tight to the upside. So the momentum is still there, and a couple of stocks that you can see here, like we mentioned on that the push it back up, have some resistance here, but momentum is still bullish. FANG, another one still hold tight to the upside. CNQ, okay, they are also pretty strong. They don't come down. Okay, and couple cyber security stock we mentioned for you earlier. Let's see how they look like. They are still run up to the upside, as you can see there. And ET, that's another strong one. Okay, PANW, that's another strong one there too. Okay, and we also mentioned about the crypto related stock like Coinbase. You can see that the whole week Coinbase is doing extremely well here until they hit to the IPO price. So that they a lot of guys they bought here, now they only wish for them, they after many months they haul up, they only pray for them to come back here so they get out. So they did come back, and now they get out right away. So they will pull back a little bit before they can clear up those guys chicken out before they can move higher. Okay, and let me see here, anything else? I think it, yeah, so that all the stuff that we mentioned on the weekly market forecast, they're all doing very well. The retail sector, they also doing well. So a lot of stock like Nike, okay, it's very strong there. VOOT, okay, it's very strong stock. Okay, so that's how COD, that's another. I don't forget what the name of the that stuff. But overall, the retail sector, they try to come back up also. So look at the interest rate, they have to move higher, so they pass to another level and continue to rumble to the upside. So we have to see it. This one here will create more inflation for the market. So you have to watch out for that. Okay, and I think that's all I have for you today. So the overall, the whole week, the market is still continue to moving up as a lot of good earnings coming out. So at this moment, we are still sticking with the uptrend. Okay, so as long as the market is not giving up, they still have potential to break out and continue to the upside. Okay, so that's all I have for you this week. Besides those stocks, if you're busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist Premium Watchlist, where we analyze a lot of stock every day. Any opportunity we will show to you so that you can take a trade with the entry, target, and stop loss, so that you can write them up and see how they lay out. Okay, so I think that's all I have for you. So if you like what I'm doing here for you every day, please don't forget to click the thumb up like button below so that you can help my channel and stay safe and healthy. And good luck in your trading. I will see you on the weekly market forecast on Sunday again. Take care, everyone.